I'm Professor Dr. Jouni Suistola. I'm originally from Finland and a student and graduate of Oulu University in northern Finland. I have been working here in Cyprus for 17 years at the Department of International Relations. First as the head of the department, then as the dean of the faculty, and since 2001 as the vice rector of the university. It has been 17 years, and during those years I have seen how the university has been growing. When I came here we had 3,000 students. At the moment 15 to 16,000. Everything has changed. We have got so many new faculties, so many new students, and also the level of international students has clearly grown during those 17 years. Of course there are things to do, things to develop the quality, but we have taken big steps toward the right direction, and I hope that I can still contribute a little to that direction during the coming couple of years.